with Carson Vickroy.
Is now 11:13 on your Wednesday morning. This time tomorrow we're going to see such strong wind gusts. Carson, what's the latest on Laura?
So this is Hurricane Laura. It is a Category 3 hurricane at this point, Cynthia, and you can just see how wide it's gotten and how much it is strengthening. Just look at that eye right there, and this all continues to push up to the northwest, and we are in the path of this storm. So let's talk about the currents. 125-mile-per-hour winds as of the 10 o'clock advisory. Now we'll get another advisory at 1 o'clock, and I would not be surprised at all if this is a low or mid-level Category 4 hurricane. And as I said, movement is up to the northwest at 16 miles per hour. So here's the projected path, or the cone of uncertainty, which is what we like to call it. By 7 o'clock on Wednesday, which is today, 145-mile-per-hour winds, and then it will probably make landfall very early tomorrow morning near Sabine Lake, where the Sabine River meets the Gulf of Mexico. That separates us from Louisiana and perhaps Lufkin, Nacogdoches, up into parts of the Toledo Bend Reservoir could be dealing with Category 1 force hurricane, or hurricane force winds rather, with that storm. So here are the tropical alerts. We've got this tropical storm warning in the blue. That is for areas along into the east of Highway 69, including Houston and Trinity counties. And then where we could see hurricane-like conditions, that is shaded in the red. That includes the majority of deep East Texas. So here are the futurecast wind gusts from our in-house model, and these are just downright impressive. We're going to start this at midnight, but as we go through time, 3, 4 o'clock, some very gusty winds in deep East Texas. Look at Hemp Hill there. Anywhere between 80 and 90 mile per hour wind gusts are expected. That is at 6 o'clock, and then we go into about 8 o'clock. That's when we continue to see those winds really ramping up a little further to the north this time for parts of Panola and Rusk County, pointing off to the south. And there's the eye of the storm. It lifts up to the north, and then by the time we roll into about 10 o'clock, we are still seeing evidence of some very gusty winds, even here in the Tyler and Longview area. That's 1 o'clock, and then eventually this will push into our northeastern counties before Laura becomes Arkansas's issue as we go into Thursday night and into Friday morning. Now, the secondary threat is the rainfall, and with that comes the potential at some localized flooding. Now, most of the models are in agreement that most of the heavier rain will stay in our eastern counties, but still some significant rainfall is expected there from Sabine to Shelby to Panola County, pointing off to the north. So we really have to take note of that as we go through the next several hours. Your next several days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're dealing with those rain chances associated with Laura before we start to dry out Saturday and Sunday.